It was love at first sight when this TV repairman bought a car from these customers, but it soured when his wife saw the dent.
Order, all rise. Order. Judge, this is number 29 on the calendar in the matter of Lewis versus Lombardo Hutchinson.
Thank you, Bird. Mr. Lewis, are you cold, sir?
Oh, did I take the hat off?
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Lewis, I've read your complaint, and let me see if I can make some sense out of it. So I'm going to ask you some questions, okay?
Sure.
You're not going to hit me with that, are you?
I'm gonna explain it to you in a minute.
All right. Well, let me see if I understand your complaint. You own a TV repair shop.
Repair shop.
And for many years, the defendants have been bringing their TVs in for you to fix.
I don't know about that.
Well,
but-
they've come in before to your TV repair shop.
Yeah, right.
And Miss Lombardo, is that you? Miss Lombardo came in, brought in 3 television sets one day. You looked outside, according to your complaint, and you saw her car outside.
Well,
it was
no,
a station wagon.
Well, we took the TVs out of the wagon into the shop.
Okay, so you saw her car.
Right.
And you said, I really like that car. It's just the kind of car I've been looking for. So she said she didn't know whether they wanted to sell it. The car belonged to her mother. And she told you that the car had some sort of noise in the steering column. She told you that, right?
Right.
And she said it had a dent in the car.
Yeah, but I never saw it.
But she told you that it had a dent in it,
Yeah,
is all I'm
okay,
saying.
all right.
And the next day she came back and she said, well, I spoke to my mom. She said she'd sell you the car.
2 days later.
2 days later. She said she'd sell you the car. She wants $4,200 for it. So
But-
far, right?